Hello dear traders. My name is Kate and these are the main trading ideas for the current trading session. First of all, let's discuss the situation with the dollar. The dollar index, DXY, is trading at 101.30. Today, traders will focus on the US Consumer Price Index data for August, which could significantly affect expectations for the Fed's interest rate adjustment. According to forecasts, annual inflation is expected to decline from 2.9% to 2.6%, while the core indicator may remain at 3.2%. Thus, the ongoing disinflationary trend may persuade the Fed representatives to take a more active position and go for a larger rate cut. Recall that the meeting of the regulator will be held on September 18. In addition to the prospects of easing the national monetary policy, pressure on the dollar is also exerted by the downward dynamics in the U.S. debt market. Thus, the yield on 10-year bonds now stands at 3.6% and is at its lowest level since June 2023. Next, Australian currency against the dollar. The pair is consolidating near 0.6650. Yesterday, July data on the real estate market were published, which turned out to be positive. Thus, the number of issued permits for the construction of new objects increased by 10.4% after a correction of 6.4% in the previous period. Such dynamics of the indicator was provided by the commercial real estate subsector. It is also worth noting the data on the Consumer Sentiment Index from Westpac Banking Corporation, which fell by 0.5% after rising by 2.8% earlier. However, this report will have little impact on market sentiment. Traders continue to focus on increased inflation risks and the probability of policy tightening. Against this backdrop, the growth of the Australian currency may continue. And finally, the dollar against the yen. The pair is actively declining and is trading at 141.00. The next meeting of the Bank of Japan will be held on September 20. The regulator is expected to raise the cost of borrowing from the current 0.25%. The difference with the key rate of the US Fed, which caused the global devaluation of the Japanese currency, is decreasing, which may lead to a significant strengthening of the yen. In addition, unlike the Bank of Japan, the US regulator is preparing for a large-scale rate cut, which may provide a basis for a long-term weakening of the dollar against the yen. Against this background, short positions remain a priority. So, these are the main trading ideas for now. Thank you for your attention and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.